The Hamza wasl is, if you begin with it, you have to pronounce the Hamza, but if it connects to the word before it, you don't pronounce it. And in verbs, what happens is you have to look at, the general rule is that you have to look at the third letter. If the third letter is a Dhamma, then the Hamza wasl becomes a Dhamma. If the third letter is a Fatha or a Kasra, then the Hamza wasl becomes a Kasra. Like, for example, if the third letter is a Dhamma, like you see, there's a Hamza wasl here, and the third letter is a Dhamma, so you say ukhruju. And likewise, the third letter is a Dhamma, do, the first letter is a Hamza wasl, say undur. And then when it's a Kasra, it becomes a Kasra ikshif. The third letter is a Kasra, the Hamza wasl, ikshif. And isbir, the third letter is a Kasra, so Hamza wasl is a Kasra. And then if the third letter is a Fatha, then it begins with a Kasra also, So you see over here, Ta with a Fatha, that's the third letter with a Fatha, so you have to begin with a Kasra. Istajibu. So it's not the same as the third letter, but it's a Kasra if there's a Fatha. And likewise in irtada, you have Fatha, the third letter, Ta, so therefore it begins with a Kasra. So that's a general rule for it in the Hamza wasl in verbs, that you look at the third letter. The third letter is a Dhamma, you begin with a Dhamma. If the third letter is a Fatha or Kasra, then you begin with a Kasra, with the E. That's a general rule. There are exceptions to it. We'll have another video with the exception for the general rule for the Hamza wasl in verbs. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.